You want to know why most sales reps are stuck spinning their wheels? They think showing up and sticking to the script is enough. They clock in, they recite their lines, and they wonder why they're still not closing deals. Let me make this crystal clear. Mastering high-ticket sales calls isn't just a skill. It's the line between building a six-figure empire and burning out with nothing to show for it. If you're booking calls, but you're not locking in deals, something's broken. And I guarantee you it's one of these 6 mistakes. So stick around because I'm about to drop a mind shift that will completely change how you dominate sales conversations moving forward. And if you're serious about leveling up as a top tier closer, I got a free resource to sharpen your edge. Details coming up. Welcome back. I'm Kayvon K, the creator of the EMIT sales system, the go-to framework for turning average closers into elite performance. If you're in high-ticket sales, whether you're selling, coaching, consulting, or you're in premium services, this isn't just another video, it's your blueprint. Because at this level, small mistakes aren't just costing you sales, they're costing you your credibility. By the end of this breakdown, you'll know exactly where you're slipping and more importantly, how to fix it so you can close deals with precision and ease. So let's start where most reps crash and burn. The first 30 seconds of the call. Here's what's killing your deals. You fumble the intro. You sound like a robot glued to a script. Or worse, you're timid, handing control to the prospect. The second you let the prospect steer the energy, you lost authority. Here's how to flip the script. Own the call. Lead with confidence and calm energy. You're not chasing, you're guiding. Set the tone with a powerful frame. Like example, here's how this call is going to go. I'm going to ask you a few questions to fully understand your situation. If I believe I can help you, I will explain how we can move forward. Does that sound good? That right there, that positions you as the expert. It shows control and respect for their time. Set the tone early and they will follow your lead the entire call. Here's a deal killer most reps don't even realize. You're making the call about you. Your offer might be gold, but your prospect doesn't care about your features. They care if you truly understand their pain. Here's where you go wrong. You pitch too early. You rattle off features like a brochure. High ticket sales isn't about dumping information. It's about delivering transformation. And you can't guide someone to transformation if you don't understand what's holding them back. So fix it by asking better questions and actually listening. Here's a power move. After asking a question, silently count to 5. Then pause. That's power. It creates space for them to open up. Ask questions like, what's the biggest challenge you're facing right now? How long has this been holding you back? What have you tried that hasn't worked? When they talk, they hand you the exact roadmap to close them. Your job, connect their pain directly to your solution. Let's be real here. You've probably done this. You get hyped about your offer and you start rattling off features. You get 12 modules, 6 calls, private Slack group. Here's the cold truth. They don't care about that. They care about the results. When you focus on features, they're calculating, is this worth it? When you focus on outcomes, they're thinking, this could change everything. Here's how you shift. Don't say you'll get 3 coaching calls a week. You say you'll have personalized guidance every step of the way to fast track your revenue goals. Your offer is the bridge between where they are and where they want to be. Build the bridge and they'll be begging to cross it. Let's talk about the silence, the most underused weapon in sales. Most reps can't handle silence. They fill it with rambling, killing the sale. But here's the truth. Silence is where the sale happens. Ask a deep question, then shut up. Don't rush in to save them from the discomfort. The silence forces them to reflect, and that's when they start selling themselves. Ask, pause, let it hang. That space, that's where the decision is made. Let them feel it. Now, objections. Most reps freeze when they hear, I need to think about it, or I'm not sure I can afford this. Here is the reality. Objections aren't rejection. They're a cry for clarity. They're saying, help me feel safe saying yes. Here's how to crush the objections. Number one, you want to acknowledge it. Hey, I totally get it. It's a big investment. You want to clarify. What's the real sticking point for you right now? Then you want to reframe it. I hear you, but let me ask, what's it costing you to actually stay stuck? What's another 6 months like this worth to you? You're not bulldozing them. You're leading them to realize that staying stuck is the bigger risk. If you're wrapping up your calls with so what do you think? You probably lost. Pros don't want to be asked. They want to be led. Here's how you close with authority. You say, hey, let's kick off with onboarding. What's your best email for your welcome packet? Here's the next step. There's no pressure there, just leadership. And that's exactly what they want. Here's how you make your offer irresistible. Stack undeniable value. Don't just list features, expand the value. You're not just getting X, you're getting Y and Z. Keep them focused on the transformation, not the transaction. And if you're serious about becoming a high-ticket closer, join my free training inside our school community. Links in the description below. You'll get live calls, you'll get frameworks, you'll get the tools you need to sharpen your game. So before we go, let's recap. Number one, lead the call from the second. Number two, ask better questions and listen. Sell results, not features. Embrace silence. It's your leverage. Handle objections by leading, not reacting. Assume the close. It's your responsibility to guide. Now it's your time to drop a comment below. Start sharing any mistake you've caught yourself making and how you're going to fix it. If you're ready to master high-ticket phone sales, don't miss this next video. How to close high-ticket sales over the phone. Remember this, sales isn't about convincing, it's about leading, and you're one step away from becoming the closer you were meant to be.